is Cook Burgers, which is a game that I play quite frequently, but it runs really terrible on this device and everything.
This is taking way too long, Unc.
Quality, so not the best video, and also everything is messy because a bunch of players are idiots, like this guy. And yeah, this video might be really short, but also very chaotic, so yeah. The video's about to end now. I only have a recording span of 1 minute, so yeah. Goodbye, guys, and that was it. And kill these. Kill. Goodbye, guys. That's gonna be it, probably. My recording's about to end. So yeah, goodbye, guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Why isn't it ending? Yo. Okay, never mind, maybe that was a bug. So this video is gonna be longer, I guess. It might end at any time, so just be prepared. We're about to reach the 2-minute mark. He's trying to burn the kitchen down. We hit 2 minutes.
I'm hungry.
Alright, I'm just